All right, so for printer maintenance and overall performance, it's a good idea to continually, every 40 hours of print use is to make sure you use white lithium grease on the Z screw or the Z axis in the back of your printer. Now you can use the kind that is a solid, or you can use the kind that's a liquid. Now if you're using a liquid, be careful. You want to take maybe a towel behind the back Z screw when you spray, and spray lightly so you don't get any of the electronic components in your 3D printer. A good idea would be spray a little bit and then put your thumb or finger on it and then run the plate up and down and spread the lithium grease on the thread rod. Another thing I recommend is 3-in-1 oil and a very light application of 3-in-1 oil up here on the rails, very little, and then move back and forth the extruder housing on the rails to spread that oil around. Again, every 40 hours would probably be a good idea to do this type of maintenance. Okay, so what you're going to do is take your white lithium grease spray, if you're using it, put a protective towel on the back, and then spray lightly onto the rail. Now once you got enough on the rail, and I'm just spraying very easily, now all you have to do is remove your towel and then go into your printer settings and go to jog mode. And then hold your finger right here, your two fingers, and then let it just go up and down and let it fill in the grooves. Okay, next you're going to take your 3-in-1 oil and you're going to put your hand underneath the guide rail and you're just going to let a little bit drip onto the rail. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Get a drop on there. And then all you're going to do then is come over here and move back and forth like so, letting that linear bearing grab a hold of the oil and just move it kind of back and forth. That's it.